Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some Cajun nacho wings. So let's get started. I have 3 pounds of wings. I have Cajun seasoning on it, and I marinated these overnight. So I'm going to go ahead and fry these up in some duck fat I have in my fryer. So let me get started on that. Just so you know, this is the Creole seasoning that I use. That's Cajun on this chicken here, and I marinated overnight. So it should be really seasoned really well. So I'm waiting on my fryer. I think it's already ready. I have changed out the oil. I have nothing but duck fat in the fryer here, and it's ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple pieces of chicken in the fryer. Okay, I have 3 pounds of chicken, so it's gonna take me a while to fry up this chicken in this duck fat. I think I put 5 in there. Let's add one more. 6. I just added 6 pieces in there, I believe. I counted that right. So let me go ahead and put the top on it. And get my Instant Pot top out of the way. So we're going to leave these in here for 12 minutes. Okay, let's let you see. These are some greens I'm cooking for dinner today, along with the nacho, cheese dinner. I know you probably wondering what's the nachos. The wings are the nachos, and the other ingredients that you usually add on to the nacho plate is usually cheese, cheddar cheese, sour cream, and green onions. So, and also some tomatoes, small cherry tomatoes. Here are the Cajun nachos. The wings are what you pick up, the cheese and sour cream, and I have some jalapenos on here. So it's a great appetizer, or it could be a dinner, maybe with a salad on the side or some greens like I'm cooking today, collard greens. But this is our Cajun nacho cheese. I'm a Southern girl. I like chicken, sometimes fried, and I have some duck fat, which is very expensive. Well, I don't want to tell you how much, but it's supposed to be good for you, especially if you're on a keto diet or when you're cooking anything really. Okay? All right. I'm always doing batch cooking in my kitchen. This is some roasted rotisserie chicken. I had leftover breast, so I'm making chicken salad of that, and I'm going to place it in the refrigerator so we will have snacks or whatever later on. So this is what I added to my plate to eat. I got my avocado. I didn't get any pepper. All right. That's what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and eat this. And I'm going to have some greens later. Oh, you have to try this Creole Cajun nacho dinner. Oh, it's so good. I'm about to eat another piece of it. So good. And just marinate it overnight. You'll be fine. This is the Creole seasoning I use. And it's delicious. But it was delicious. I really enjoyed it. Try this recipe. It's very easy. Like I said, I marinated 3 pounds of chicken with that Creole seasoning on it. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.